I look at that people have their experience. They're aware of information which is very important for their own department, their own role, and whatever required in their environment. So, and it starts happening from the day the person is onboarded. So first of all, not just the induction, we do the human intervention in induction, and at the same time all our systems and products and policies are already updated in our LMS, and people have all the clarity. So people are going through those programs to have a better understanding about their requirement in the organization, whether it is policies, processes, their department, their SOPs. So they have that LMS. So and LMS is accessible at all point of time. So they can just go to the LMS at any point and have the query resolved. If there's something still is not getting resolved, they can just reach out to us through the help desk. We have HRMS help desk, or they can walk up to us and ask those queries. So that's how we try to be there for employees, any kind of challenges they come up in their role. Very interesting question. So while we take care of our employees' motivation and engagement, at the same time it's equally important that HR team is also motivated and engaged, because that's the team who will ensure that other people are motivated and engaged. So what I do mainly is that I look at what my team is aspiring to do. The kind of, there are two kind of work that we need to do. One is that we really like to do, and the other thing is which we don't enjoy. I kind of try to create a balance of both. That 80% work you are doing which is inspiring and interesting for you, and 20% of work, and I try to also create a balance, try to shift roles from time to time. That's one way of engagement and motivation. And at the same time we try to create a structure in a manner that, for example, my hiring team they have incentive programs. The kind of hiring that they do, they have an incentive. So that's one of the motivation factor. And at the same time we try to make a balance between work which is rotating. Okay, so sometimes my onboarding person also getting involved in hiring, my hiring person is getting involved in onboarding. So that's a kind of changes that we do. And at the same time I tell them to create a employee bond, employee relations. So they are not just our customers, but we are kind of creating that employee relation and bond in the organization. So with mix of this motivation and connection with the leadership, we definitely feel motivated and engaged within the HR function also.